From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could wake up to a beautiful, vintage-inspired timepiece that not only tells the time but also adds a touch of elegance to your bedroom? The antique metal mute alarm clock living room from Decor is a stunning addition to any room. This clock is a game-changer for those who value style and functionality. With its metal frame, large Arabic numerals, and glass face, it's easy to read and use, even for seniors or children. The metal frame has a smooth, cool texture that feels solid and durable, and the glass face gives it a sense of depth and clarity. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and attractive design, which makes it a great choice for any room, whether it's a bedroom, kitchen, office, or children's room. The mute alarm feature is also a great benefit, as it allows you to wake up to a gentle, silent alarm, without the jarring sound of a traditional alarm clock. The clock's decorative feel can enhance any room's decor, and its versatility makes it a great addition to a bookcase, TV table, or fireplace mantle. In real-life use, this clock is a great choice for adults, teens, and children, as it's easy to set and use, and the large numerals make it easy to read, even from across the room. The clock's attractive design also makes it a great conversation piece, and its metal frame gives it a sense of weight and substance. Overall, the antique metal mute alarm clock living room from Decor is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional timepiece that can add a touch of elegance to any room, and with its ease of use and attractive design, it's a great addition to any home. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.